It's natural for some people to feel hungry even after eating a full meal. The combination of a demanding job and the possibility of frequent late shifts can leave you feeling hungry even after dinner. If you have diabetes, it's best not to consume whatever you find lying about in the middle of the night, as doing so could raise your blood sugar levels to dangerously high levels by the time you wake up. If you must eat or bite something late at night, do it with caution and consideration. In this video, we will discuss late-night eating options for diabetics who want to avoid a surge in blood sugar by consuming certain meals. If you have diabetes, what may you eat after midnight? First, you can eat tiny carrots because they are a high-fiber food that will help you feel full for longer. There is an incredibly slim probability that eating carrots will result in a rise in morning blood sugar. The protein in a hard-boiled egg is a wonderful choice if you wake up hungry in the middle of the night. An egg's lack of glycemic impact and its protein content makes it an excellent choice for a pre-bedtime meal. Finally, if you have any light popcorn in the fridge, you should consider eating it because it is high in fiber and thus good for your health as a diabetes patient. You can eat some cucumber salad if you grab some salad greens. You shouldn't be concerned about it leading to hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, in the morning because that's quite unlikely.